Hello friends, I am Devinder Singh Chawla. Today once again I have come in front of you with a new video regarding Canada jobs. In this video I'll discuss about the LMIA, like it is being done in the market by the different agents, that they are selling the LMIA for 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs or for 10 lakhs, and they are saying that after getting the LMIA they will get the work permit. Is it so? Or is LMIA a guarantee of for work permit in Canada? So this is the topic I am going to discuss in this video. So let's start the video. So as I have told you that in the market it is going on and it is being claimed by different agents that you buy the LMIA for 5 lakh or 6 lakhs or 10 lakhs or whatever amount they say. And many people phone me up and also say that such and such person is giving me an LMIA for 5 lakh or 6 lakh or some other amount, and should I buy it and I'll get the work permit, I'll go there to Canada. So it is being shown that by getting the LMIA you will get the work permit for Canada. So I want to clarify in this regard that please beware. So it is not so. So I'll tell you why it is not so. So let us discuss all the points. So first of all is that when you get a job offer letter, first the employer interview you and he issue you a job offer letter. After that, the employer applies for the LMIA, which is called as LIMIA also by some people. Some agent call it LIMIA, some people call it LMIA. And if after getting your job offer letter, the employer applies for the LMIA from ESDC Canada, and he gets the LMIA issued in your name. After that, you have to take that job offer letter and LMIA, which is issued by ESDC Canada, and you have to submit it with the form for the work permit to the embassy. So even if you are in Canada or you are out of Canada, suppose you are already in Canada and you are applying for the work permit from there, you get the job offer letter and LMIA, then you have to go to the embassy. And whatever they do, they cross the border and then they come back and they say that they go for the work permit. In that, the visa officer interviews them. So you have to clear that interview. Only then you will be issued a work permit. Even if you have got job offer letter and an LMIA, it is not a guarantee that your work permit will be issued. So be careful. Even if you are in Canada, the work permit can be refused, even if you have got a job offer letter or an LMIA. So please don't pay for the LMIA. So if you will pay for the LMIA, after that the visa is refused, then your money will be lost. So be careful. That is the thing which I want to tell you, be aware. So, and the second case, if you are applying from India, what happens is you will be interviewed by the employer and you will be issued a job offer letter. After that, that employer will get an LMIA issued for you. So you have to take that job offer letter and LMIA to the embassy. You have to apply for the work permit. You have to submit these job offer letter and the LMIA with your application form. Only then the visa officer calls you for the interview. And when you clear that interview, only then the work permit is issued. Even if you have got a LMIA, that doesn't mean that you will get the work permit. So this is not the ultimate weapon. You can say, if you have got the LMIA, you will get the work permit. This is not so. It is not guaranteed. After you appear for the interview and you cross that interview, only then you will get the work permit for Canada. So that was the thing which I wanted to tell you. So LMIA is not a guarantee of getting the work permit in Canada. No doubt LMIA is required. That is the first condition, but that is not the only condition. You have to appear for the interview also, that you have to clear. So what more things you have to take care about when you are trying to buy the LMIA from the market. You should make a deal with your agent that you will pay only after you get the work permit in your hand. Please don't pay for the job offer letter or LMIA. Lakhs of rupees people are paying and then they get defrauded. So the fraud is played upon them because they don't have the full knowledge. So now I will tell you why the work permit is refused even after you have got the job offer letter and the LMIA. First is that if you have got a job offer letter that is not in the field in which you are already working in India or any other country, so then the work permit will be refused to you. Even if you have got a LMIA, And your LMIA and job offer letter should be in the same field in which you are already working and you have got experience in that job. Only then that LMIA and job offer letter will be considered positively. Otherwise, the visa officer will refuse you the work permit. So, the thing is that you have to first of all clear the interview, and then only the visa officer will interview in a detailed manner. He will ask about your job in this country or whatever job you were doing before, and then he will ask you how you got the job in Canada, how you were interviewed, how you came to know about this job. First of all, he will inquire about it, and then how you applied, how you were interviewed, who interviewed you, and how you got selected. Only then he will, when he is satisfied after questioning you, only then he will issue you a work permit. Please, I want to make everything clear to you, because the LMIA is issued by ESDC Canada. ESDC Canada or Service Canada it is called. It's a different department. And the work permit is issued by the Embassy of Canada. That's a different department. So both the departments work independently. They are not the same department. So they have got their own rules to follow, and they follow their own rules, and they decide the case accordingly. It doesn't mean that if the ESDC Canada has issued you a LMIA, then the embassy is bound to issue the work permit. This is not so. The visa officer will issue you a work permit on your own merits and according to their own rules and regulation, not according to the rules and regulation of ESDC Canada or Service Canada. So be careful. If you are making a deal with the agent, please make a deal that I'll pay you only after I get the work permit in my hand, not after getting the LMIA or job offer letter. Otherwise, you will be defrauded, and you will lose your money if after paying for the LMIA you are not able to clear the interview and your work permit is refused, you will lose your money. And one more step is there. After appearing for the Canada, like there is one more step in it which I want to tell you. You have to undergo a medical test also. If you are not fit enough and you fail in the medical test, even then your work permit will be refused. So please be careful. There are two steps. One is your medical test, and one is your interview with the visa officer. These two things you have to cross, only then you will get the work permit. So that was all I wanted to tell you today about what it is going on in the market, that people are selling LMIA for 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs or 10 lakhs, whatever amount they are asking. So be careful of these agents, this type of frauds, so that you are able to protect yourself and you are able to save your money and you are able to fulfill your dream of Canada work permit without any difficulty. So please beware. I want to then in the final line I want to say that even if you buy an LMIA and you have got a job offer letter, it's not a guarantee that you will get a work permit to Canada. I hope you must have liked my video, and if you have liked my video, please press the like button and share it with your family members, friends and relatives. And I am thankful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. And I request all others to please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed to it. And when you subscribe it, then the bell icon will come. Please press that bell icon so that you can get the notification from time to time for my new videos. And one more offer which I give it to you in every video is that if you want to get your visa file prepared free of cost for Canada, you can contact me on my mobile number which I have given below in the description. So you can fix an appointment with me and come to the office and get your visa file prepared free of cost from me. And last is my book that which I have written for you. In this book I have given all the details how to prepare your visa file without the help of any agent or consultant. You can make it by yourself. In this I have given the name of all the websites from which you can download the different forms and fill it up. Then I have given the specimen of all the documents which you have to submit along with your application form. And I have given you the samples of all the documents like CA statement, like covering letter, and everything is given in it, itinerary and everything. So you can copy them and make your file easily. And after making your file, you can submit it by yourself to the Canadian Embassy. The price of this book is 450 rupees only, which you can pay me by by Paytm or money order. I have given the Paytm number below in the description. After receiving your payment, I'll send you this book onto your address through registered parcel or courier. So that was all for the video today. Okay, bye.